Hi guys, so as promised, here is a gluten-free Parsad recipe you all are going to love. This is very easy to put together and it tastes just like Parsad. So to start, we're placing some ghee into a pot on medium heat. Once the ghee melts, I'm going to go in with some almond flour and some gluten-free flour, and I'm using the King Arthur brand of gluten-free flour. It's a blend of rice and tapioca and some other ingredients. We want to toast this on a medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. We really need to toast this, allow the flour to cook. We don't want any raw taste. While this is toasting, I'm just going to put up my milk mixture. So in my pot, I have milk, and you can use any type of milk you like. And I'm going in with sugar, and you can use any amount of sugar you want. We just want that to dissolve and for the milk to heat through. Let's continue with the Parsad. You want to continue mixing. You see the consistency it is. If yours is not this consistency, just add a little more ghee. Next, go in with the raisins and mix that through. At this point in time, it has reached 30 minutes of cooking. Now I'm going to go in with some elychee or cardamom powder and some freshly grated ginger. Some people may not like putting ginger, so you can omit it. But trust me, it really gives this Parsad a really delicious, distinct flavor. Once mixed in, I'm going to add my milk a little at a time. Once you add the milk, you want to raise your heat up to a high, so the highest it can go, because we want that milk to be absorbed into the flour. And you see that action where I cut the milk into the flour? That's what you want to do. So you're going to continue to do this, add more milk, and continue to cut that into the flour. And continue adding the milk until you've used up all of it, or until the flour cannot absorb anymore. So I'm going in with the last bit of milk and mixing that in. So you see, my flour actually absorbed it all. If your flour starts to look sticky, you have to stop and do not add any more. Once you've mixed it in and it dries up, your Parsad is now ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy gluten-free recipe. Leave me your comments down below. If you make it, let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!